Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another daily video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be on multiple trucks. We're going to start off here with this black Toyota Tundra that's getting an Icon Stage 5 kit installed with 35-inch tires and our BMC. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're interested in getting some work done by us, feel free to either give us a call during regular business hours or shoot us an email over to sales@88rotors.com. All of our contact information can also be found in the description below. The Icon Stage 5 consists of 2.5 remote reservoir front coilovers along with some tubular delta joint upper control arms. And for the rear lift, it uses a leaf expansion pack. Also, 2.5 piggyback shocks are used as well in the Icon Stage 5. This 2019 4x4 TRD Sport comes with factory red shocks. We're about to tear them all out and throw on the new Icon suspension parts. And as a friendly reminder, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Make sure you also click on that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time we post a new daily video. We hope that you're enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to just click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It definitely makes a big difference for our channel and this video itself. And of course, it encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And here's some SCS Ray 10 wheels. We're about to install some 35 12.5 tires on them and do the body mount chop to fully clear them with articulation. Now that the suspension components are in, our BMC artist comes in and chops it up. If you want to see more detailed videos of the body mount chop, feel free to look in the description below and click on those two links. We have other detailed videos of the body mount chop and what it does for the vehicle. And if there's something else that you want to see, feel free to go to our channel and do a quick search. So what do you guys think of this setup? You like it? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Next up, we have this 5th gen Toyota 4Runner that we're working on. We're also installing an Icon setup on this one with billet upper control arms with delta joints also. We're also installing a front bumper that the customer is providing along with some LED light bars. Let's not forget the worn winch that we're installing onto that front bumper as well. Next, we have another red 5th gen runner that we did. This one came with some Fox 2.5 remote reservoir front coilovers with DSC and Icon tubular delta joint upper control arms. For the rears, we went with some OME lift springs along with some Fox 2.0 remote reservoir shocks. And the wheels and tires on here are the Feel shocks. These are the 17x9 positive 1 offset in a matte black finish wrapped up in a 285/70/17 BFGoodrich KO2 tire. Here's the completed project on the 4Runner. Next up, we have this 3rd gen Tacoma. This one came with some Icon suspension as well. The customer was not happy with the ride height since he had it installed elsewhere, so he had us adjust it and add a front shim and a rear block to give it an extra inch of lift. For this shot, I also used the Sandmark wide angle lens. What do you guys think of it? Such a great company and a high quality lens for the iPhone camera. And here's a reminder that we still work on cars, guys. I know a lot of you truck guys have cars too, so if you need some work done, let us know and we'll take care of it. We've been working on cars since 2004. And here are a few other shots of the wide angle lens. What do you guys think? Should we shoot all of our videos with the wide angle lens like this, or go back to the regular camera? Drop a comment down below and let us know. And here's a 3rd gen Tacoma that we're doing a king setup on. And here's another look at the king setup with Icon upper control arms. And here's also our also popular Bilstein and OME setup. Here's also another Tacoma getting a body mount chop. Well, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's compilation video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure to drop them down below. And as a friendly reminder, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Make sure you also click on that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time we post a new daily video.